Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to go and show you how to turn off or on your Amazon Fire TV Cube. Now to turn it on for the first time, all you have to do is press this button with the circle on it, and you'll notice it will power on. So I'm going to hold it down now, and this will turn it off. So if we hold this circle button down for 10 to 15 seconds, it will turn off the device. So you'll notice your screen is going to go dark, and it will revert to like the input screen or the HDMI selector screen. So my screen just went completely dark. And there's not going to be any kind of lights flashing on here anymore or anything like that. Now to turn it back on, just press the circle button. And when I press this now, we might have to hold it down for about 2 or 3 seconds. You'll notice the lights will come back on. So just hold this circle button down and you should be good to go. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.